Hello everyone. Today is July 30th, 2024. Tuesday, welcome to my channel. Intel will report second quarter earnings after the close on Thursday, and analysts expect the company to report a loss of $448.05 million, or 11 cents per share, in the second quarter, which will widen from the previous quarter due to higher research and development costs. While the company reported a profit in the same period last year, the company expects revenue of $12.94 billion, down slightly from the same period last year. Analysts pointed out that Intel's revenue still relies heavily on legacy products, while foundry revenue has declined. Intel reported that its foundry operating loss widened to $2.47 billion in the first quarter of 2024, raising concerns that it may take longer to scale up and break even than previously expected. Intel's stock price has fallen nearly 40% so far this year, and the stock has fallen nearly 10% in the past 2 weeks, closing at $30.83 as of Monday's close. Analysts are neutral on the stock, with an overall rating of hold. According to the ratings of 16 analysts on Intel stocks in the past 3 months, buy ratings accounted for 18.75%, hold ratings accounted for 75%, and sell ratings accounted for 6.25%. The average target price of Intel stock is $40.21. The highest target price is $68, and the lowest target price is $29. Let's take a look at the daily chart of the stock. Last Wednesday, the stock had already broken through the key support position. The stock price jumped up the next day after breaking through the key resistance position on July 5th. So $32 is regarded as a key resistance position. Last Wednesday, the stock price fell strongly below this price and the trading volume increased significantly, indicating that a large amount of capital withdrew from the market on that day. The stock price continued to fall in the following 3 trading days, and the trading volume gradually decreased, indicating that the selling pressure faced by the market was gradually reduced. This should be considered a positive signal. So where will the stock price stop falling? Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that there was a huge trading volume at the last moment of the closing on July 24th, indicating that large capital withdrew from the market at this position. On the morning of July 25th, the stock price began to rebound after a deep decline. Some trading volume was concentrated in the morning, but the stock price still fell in the afternoon and the rebound failed. On July 29th, the stock price fell below $30.90 3 times and finally stopped at $30.83. The trading volume on that day was not large, indicating that no big capital had entered the market to take over the chips, but the selling pressure encountered by the market seemed to have decreased a lot. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. The performance of the semiconductor sector on Monday was not good. It seemed that the market sentiment had not yet changed and the short-selling force had not yet been fully released. But the decline of the heavyweight stocks was not large, indicating that the long forces in the market were still trying to maintain the stock price. Intel stock is one of the worst performing stocks in this wave of technology stock selling. It seems to be a little oversold, but affected by market sentiment and the negative signal that no capital has entered yet. I think the stock may fall further next, but the room for decline may be limited. I think its stock can find a bottom before the company announces its quarterly results. I currently see a target price of $30.30, and I think the stock price may rebound at this position. Okay guys, that's my price prediction for Intel stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks later. See you in the next video.